I spent a long time in Oakland. I had a commitment to excellence. Two years ago, when we came to Los Angeles, I really believed that the greatness of the Raiders would be in its future.
At running back, number 32, Marcus Allen.
Jensen in motion all the way across, quick toss to Allen, fakes left, comes back right, throwing deep, Christensen open, makes the catch at the 5, touchdown Raiders! Stout back, sets up, delivers one to Sweeney, interception, Hayes, 18-yard line, touchdown Raiders! Sets up, gets a good block, moves one to the end zone, to Allen, touchdown Raiders!
I still remember in the locker room, Tom Flory saying, "We're going to Tampa, baby." And everybody, yes, yes, yes.
It is blocked by Derek Jensen, going into the end zone, Raiders after it. We've been on it, touchdown Raiders! Watson looks, touchdown Raiders! Crockett getting to Allen, sending him wide left. He has to reverse his field. And he gets away for a moment. Comes back up the middle of 30, 25, 40. Takes past 2 men at the 50. Down to the 40. Picks up the blocker. Touchdown Raiders! The celebration will begin as the Raiders sprint toward the clubhouse. And the great joy of watching Pete Rozelle present the championship trophy to the Los Angeles Raiders.
Al, let me ask you something. With all the distractions that you have off the field, how are you able to keep focused on winning football games as you do and do throughout the years?
When you have great coaches, then after you have great coaches, you get great players. You have a great organization, and you tell them one thing. Just win, baby.